Alright guys, I got to finish pressure washing this exterior of the church. About get that about 3:30. So yeah, we're gonna show you how this look right now. We're getting transformation for the walkway. It is much more cleaner, wider, and notice those wall before it was very black. Now it's showing the beauty of it. Looks pretty great. Nice. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the front. Nice. The walkway is much more wider now compared to was before, about 5 hours ago. And this is the front. That's the front side entrance of the church, and this is the front. That's much more cleaner. So there's that wall there too. And my shadow, guys. Yep. And this is how you show it right there. Alright guys, send you what you think. Send me a message. Appreciate that. What your comment is. I have to come back for another day to do the other side of this church. I've just already done the left side of it. There's a walkway out there. Right. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a great day. God bless.